Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 39 of the Cougar Connection. This week, our student spotlight is Austin James. Austin is an 8th grade student at Simons Middle School, and he is a Blue Barracuda team member. Austin has a great personality. He is a great student, and a lot of his friends would describe him as being a practical joker with a silly side. He has played basketball for SMS for 3 years, and he is an avid baseball fan and a terrific athlete. Just recently, Austin has begun playing golf. Austin was excited to start his 8th grade baseball season, and he was also excited to go on the Washington, D.C. trip until the pandemic put those things on hold. He's also a great uncle to his two nieces and his nephew, and he is an awesome son. He is extremely loyal to his family and friends. So we just want to take a moment and say congratulations, Austin. Thank you for demonstrating the can my attitude these 2 years at SMS. We can't wait to see what amazing things you do in the future. This week's staff spotlight is Mr. Hollingsworth. Mr. Willie Hollingsworth teaches social studies for the 8th grade team, the Blue Barracudas, and Mr. Hollingsworth comes to SMS from Bracken County. He is really experienced with teaching social studies, and he has done a great job this year with our students. He has been awesome to work with during the pandemic as he has reached out multiple times to many students. And we just want to take a moment and shout out to you, Mr. Hollingsworth. Thank you for everything that you have done for us this year at SMS, and thank you for all that you have done for our students. So just a few things, parents, that are on the agenda for the week. On Wednesday, there will be packet pickup for weeks 7 and 8. That is going to be from 8 to 6 at SMS, and there is a picture up in the top of the ticker that shows where the pickup location is. That is just as it has been every other time we have done NTI packet pickups. So please pick up your packets for week 7 and 8, and these will be the last 2 weeks that we will be doing NTI for this school year. So the official last day of school for students right now is going to be on May the 15th. And then I've also received lots of questions for parents about picking up or dropping off rather packets that are complete. So if at any time you need to drop off a completed packet, there is a drop-off location in the back of our school. There are some totes out by the gym doors, and someone checks those every single night. So please make sure, if you've got packets that you want to drop off, that you get those turned in. We will not accept any more work after May 15th, so it's really important that all student work gets turned in by then. So some other things that are going on this week at SMS, we do have Achieve 3000 math training on Monday for those teachers who are selected for that. We have a district instructional leadership team on Tuesday, SPED PLC as well, an admin team meeting on Tuesday at 2, and a leadership team meeting at 3:15 on Tuesday. On Wednesday, like I already mentioned, we have that packet pickup for week 7 and 8. And if at that time, parents, your students aren't finished with weeks 5 and 6, they can drop that one off as well. Thursday, we will have a PLC day. So that's Green Monkeys at 1, Red Jaguars at 2, Blue Barracudas at 3, Silver Snakes at 4. Friday, as always, is Can Wilma's T-shirt day. And staff, we will have a whole staff meeting on Friday at 2 o'clock. So we do want to take a moment and just recognize our Achieve 3000 winners for last week. On the leaderboard for last week on Monday, Leona Puckett; Tuesday, Samantha Adams; Wednesday, John Graham; Thursday, Alicia Godby; and Friday, Wesley McCarty. Our weekly top scorer was John Graham, and the 2 students with the most activities at 75% or above are Alicia Godby in grade 7 and Zachary Earlywine in grade 8. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.